In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix application unavailable error on Prime Video app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you are trying to use Amazon Prime Video app and you are experiencing this error, most likely it's because you are using an outdated version of this app, or your app contains a glitch that needs to be fixed. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix application unavailable error. In the first method, we need to go to Google Play Store or App Store and check if there is any update for this app. So for that, I'll need to go to Google Play Store, and from here search for your app by name, and should you see an update here, update your app to the latest version, and this should be able to fix your issues. However, if this didn't fix your issue, then you want to check and ensure that you are not using any VPN. If you're using a VPN, it might be the reason you are experiencing this. Turn your VPN off before you can use your app. But should the problem still persist, you want to ensure that your network is stable, and then go to the app and long press on it to access its app info page. You can also access Amazon Prime app info page by going through settings. Here you want to force stop the app and also clear the app data, and that is tap on clear cache and okay. You also want to again to tap on it and clear all data. Once you're done, restart your smartphone and now ensure you are connected to a stable internet. And now if you open your app, it should be working without any issue. But at this point, should you still have that error, then the problem might be with Prime Video server. For that, you need to try after some few minutes to see if the problem has gone away. So that's how you can fix that issue. Let me know which of these methods was able to solve your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.